Hey everybody, Chris here with a new video. This is day 5 of our trip through Iceland, and we are starting the day by visiting a geothermal power plant. Very sunny today, but it's also very windy. While driving along the road, we noticed this little stream of water coming from the power plant, and we stopped along the road, and now I'm making a picture here of the stream that is going to the power plant. So the little stream is right over here. It has this nice blue color of the water that is everywhere here in Iceland near the geothermal areas, and the power plant is also right here, and there is some steam coming from it, and I'm making a longer exposure of about 8 seconds at f8 ISO 200, and this creates some movement in the mist and as well in the water. This tiny little stream of blue water is really beautiful, but it also smells very strongly of sulfur, which smells a bit like rotten eggs. It's so windy today. So I know a power plant is not strictly speaking landscape photography, but seeing how well it integrates into the landscape, I thought a picture of it would be interesting. So I wanted to share this with you guys. We are now moving on, and we are going to visit a lake in a crater. So let's go. So here is the lake in the crater. Unfortunately, our timing is not very good because it's the middle of the day right now and the light is very harsh. So I'm not going to make any pictures here. I'm just going to appreciate the sight. It's almost sunset now, and we have arrived at our highlight of the day. And you guessed it, it's another waterfall. This one goes by the name of Godafoss, and it means as much as waterfall of the gods. It's still sunny right now, but the sun is already going below the horizon because there are some hills. So I gotta hurry up and set up my camera. So I had just the time to set up the camera and take a few pictures, because now the sun has already slipped behind the horizon. There are actually some hills here and the sun has gone below them. It's not yet time for sunset, but well, the light is already gone. So I will make some more long exposures with some less light and we'll see how they turn out. So I have taken a few pictures of the waterfall, and now Annie is walking up a bit further up the path, and she will stand right on the edge of the waterfall. And she's not wearing her red jacket this time around like in the other pictures. By the way, if you haven't seen those pictures, then go check out the other videos I made here in Iceland. I will put a link somewhere up there. And this time she is wearing a green jacket, and she will stand on the edge, and this should really show the scale of the waterfall. By the way, as for most of the other waterfalls here in Iceland, I am once again using the polarizer and my 10-stop ND filter, as well as a graduated neutral density filter to darken the sky a little bit. And this combination makes a pretty good combination to capture large waterfalls. I have now changed the lens on the camera, and I'm using the 55 200mm at 200mm to zoom in really close on the waterfall. So I want to go have a look at the river down here and to see what the waterfall looks like from there. Let's see if we can find some nice rocks to put them in the foreground. I have to be careful because these steps are quite steep and they're quite wet, so they're a bit slippery. So I will be careful. See you down at the river. Hello! I'm not down at the river and it's quite wet here. Everything is getting hit by the mist of the waterfall and I'm not sure, can you actually see me? I don't know, I have to wipe the lens again, otherwise it's getting all foggy. Hello, can you see me? Ah yes, that's better. The mist from the waterfall is getting all the camera gear wet, the filters, everything. But I'm still using the 10-stop ND filter and the polarizer because I found this nice rock here in the river and I want to use it in the foreground of my picture with the big waterfall with Godafoss in the background, and I think it makes for a really amazing picture. Damn, I just slightly sprained my ankle because I had to run up to the viewpoint on the waterfall because there was another photographer coming down to me, an Irish guy, very nice, and he told me that there was still a GoPro up there time-lapsing, and well, that was my GoPro. I forgot it up there when I went down to the river, so thankfully nobody took it. I have it back, everything is well except my ankle. So that's it for day number 5 in Iceland. It's been a long day. We visited quite a few locations, but this waterfall, just amazing. We were lucky enough to have a bit of light, find this amazing rock down there. As usual, this country is so amazing. There are so many different sites and everything looks just perfect for landscape photography, and this waterfall is just stunning. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it. If you did, subscribe to the channel to see the next few videos. And that's it. See you soon. Bye bye.